Mga adlaw mga kasilay, this is Lyle Andalets of CDN Digital. We're here at the eGov PH Servicio Hub here in Barangay Subang Dako, Mandawi City, Cebu, and I'm about to take you inside and let's take a look at the services offered here. So upon entering, we see the actual office, and right here we claim our priority numbers. And as you can see here, the services offered here by the PhilHealth, PCSO, DSWD, ARTA, and DOH. So as we take a look here inside, there are more government services offered in here. As you can see, there is also services offered by DOLE,
Please proceed to Philippines
PSA,
Authority National ID.
SSS. And as we walk more here, there's also services offered here. The information desk. People can also claim their priority numbers here or information desk. And right here, we have the Kadiwa ng Pangulo, the Benteng Bigas. As you can see right here, people are still lining up to buy the 20 pesos rice offered by the President's program. So that's it. This is the eGov PH Servicio Hub, designed as a one-stop shop for government services, bringing together multiple government services and agencies in one location to help streamline transactions and make processes faster for the public. To avail the services here, citizens may book an appointment through the eGov app or just walk in directly here at the eGov PH Servicio Hub located in Barangay Subang Dako, Mandawi City, Cebu. Once again, this has been Lyle Andales for CDN Digital.